Welcome back to another video. V's visual and charming personality quickly captured ARMY's hearts. From the look of this baby picture, he has been adorable his entire life. V has no intention of auditioning for big hit music, but thank goodness he did. We worked hard to improve his natural talents as a trainee, which helped him mold into the superstar we know him as today. When BTS debuted with No More Dreams, V already performed like he had been an idol for years. His voice, dance moves, stage performance, and facial expressions were absolutely perfect every time he took the stage. BTS got their first win with I Need You. With this song, V and other members showed just how emotional their music could be. V poured his emotions into every performance, which proved just how great a performer he is. V showed that he is just as great at acting as he is performing on stage, Hwarang the Poet Warrior Youth. As Hansan, V proved he is a versatile actor and he tackled funny and heartbreaking scenes. V is the definition of multi-talented. He loves painting and trying to express his creativity. We love seeing his creations. V has put out great solo songs over the years. He put out solo tracks on BTS albums like Stigma, Singularity and Inner Child. He also put on non-album tracks like Scenery, Winter Beer and Snowflower. He also got great OST like Sweet Night, Christmas Tree and his duet with Jin, It's Gonna Be You. Whether he is working with BTS or alone, he is truly a great musician. By now, V is a K-pop legend. Rookie Idol studied him as a model of stage presence and he recognized globally for all his talents. Christmas Tree by V is still a hot topic while being an unpromoted OST that didn't stop the song from breaking and making new records each day. In just 18 days, Christmas Tree surpassed 20 million streams on Spotify, making it the fastest solo song by a Korean male soloist to achieve this milestone. Christmas Tree is also the fastest OST by a Korean act to achieve this. The massive success of V's OST is making an impact not only the drama but on other OSTs. Korean media wrote about how people started giving more attention to OSTs after the success and the huge buzz created by Taehyung's OST. In an analysis of Our Beloved Summer increasing popularity, K-drama attributed the growing popularity of the drama to V, also gave him credit for the other OSTs of the drama entering the Korean charts. V is named OST King for the huge success that his songs get both on domestic charts and on worldwide charts as well. V, along with the rest of BTS, has achieved so much. The entire group is recognized for their global impact and for the changes they can influence others to make. They have even become diplomats, which is a proof of how far they have come. It has been a little bit over a month since the BTS members opened their personal accounts on Instagram. Right now, Jin's Instagram account is having the highest percentage of engagement among BTS members. The percentage of real accounts engaging with his content is 46.9%. Moreover, Jin is not even that active on the platform. Due to having a high level of engagement, the artist even ranked 20 in the top of Instagram influencers in the USA. Jin is also the second member of BTS to enter the top 20. Recently, he also got voted as a favorite BTS Instagram account of Japanese netizens. Sadly, Jin is not really active on the platform and barely posts any content during the past month, unlike the rest of the members. However, many people are liking his feed. It is calm, adorable and very natural, just like Jin in real life. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. BTS as a group breaks many records and scores big numbers. When it comes to individual works, the group's members do well on their own too. This time it's Suga who can add a milestone to his career. The songs he participated in as feature has surpassed a combined total of 500 million streams on Spotify. Suga mentioned last year in an interview that he would like to work on more external projects as his goal for 2021. After that, he produced Samsung Galaxy theme Over the Horizon, worked with Japanese singer Omi with the track You. Remixed Coldplay and BTS My Universe, and most recently were featured in the late Juice WRLD Girl of My Dreams, which broke and created many records. His first hit as a feature was also his first feature song, orchestrated with Lee Soda almost 3 years ago. It was the first song of 2019 to receive an All-Kill on Korean charts, later receiving an Mnet Asian Music Award for Best Collaboration. To celebrate his 500 million streams, Suga Spotify Legend and Suga 500 million streams Spotify became trends. Thank you so very much for your love and support, ARMYs.